Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you one of the best proxies I've come across on the internet. Okay, so the name of this proxy is called Proxy-Seller. Okay, so the name of the proxy is Proxy-Seller. All right, so this is how the homepage looks like. Okay, so when you meet the homepage like this, you need to either sign up. That's if you don't have an account yet. But if you have an account, you're just going for the sign in or login over here. Okay, but since I already have an account, I'll just continue. Okay, so in my account, I use my Google account to sign up directly, so I don't need to enter any password or anything. Okay, so let's navigate through the Proxy-Seller. Okay, so here is where you see your balance. As you can see, I have zero balance over here. Okay, so in case you want to deposit, they have PayPal, Visa, Mastercard, USDT. Any cryptocurrency at all can be used for the transaction. Okay, and also let me dive in further. They have a lot of proxies over here. They have from packages to unit proxies. Okay, so with this IPv4, they have US sorry, proxy for USA, proxy for Armenia, like any country at all you can think of. All right, when you come to the mixed packages, they have worldwide proxies, which means you can connect any worldwide country. They also have Europe, which means you are going to connect to any country in Europe. Okay, same applies to the other ones, so you just going for the one you think is best for you. Okay, and one thing I like about this particular proxy or this website is they have proxies solely for individual operations. Okay, so let's say you come here where you have the proxy for, you have proxy for social media. Okay, so you just select the one you are going to use it for, whether being Tinder, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, Pinterest, any social media at all. Yes, any social media at all. And also they have proxies for gaming and stuff. Yeah, gaming and stuff. Okay, so let me navigate to that particular proxies. Okay, so this is the proxies for gaming. So any game at all, any game you can think of, especially all these online games, you can get proxies for them. Yeah, you can get proxies for them. Yeah, and also online markets. Let's navigate to the online markets. Online markets such as Home Depot, Amazon, Vinted, any online market at all you can think of. Yeah, and okay, so let's try and purchase the proxy for US. Okay, so when it comes like this, you are going to select the amount you want to buy. Okay, so this is the quantity. As you can see, I selected only one. The price is 1.8 USD, which means it's very cheap. Yeah, it's very cheap, and it works effectively too. Okay, so let's say I want to buy 10. Okay, 10 IPs is going to cost me 17.1 because they applied some discounts to it. All right, so in case you want to buy, you just tap on the buy button. Okay, so we select the country. The default one is US because that's what we chose from the beginning. So in case you don't want the US, you can just choose any other one. Okay, so let's assume I want to buy the US proxy. Okay, so the duration is 1 month. You have 1 month, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, okay, 2 weeks, 3 months, and then 6 months. So let's say for example, I want to buy the 1 month package. Okay, 10 IPs for 1 month. All right, so there's my email over here, my payment method. So you're going to choose your payment method here. You can choose to deposit. Okay, you can choose to deposit. So in that case, you use this button over here, the last one, which says balance. As you can see, I've not deposited, so I don't have any balance over here. But if you want to deposit, you deposit before you purchase, or you can just go ahead and choose any of the payment method and you go directly into the purchase. Okay, so let's say I want to use the Visa card. Just tap on it. So the total cost will be 17.1. and I'll tap on submit the order. Okay, submit the order. All right. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'll leave the links to this particular website in case you're interested. You just tap on it and create an account. Thank you.